Okay, so I am going to secure this with all around the edges using my precision glue. I know it's like 3 years ago when we have this, the first in the markets, and we got chained. Was in one of the shows, and we did it in Orlando, and then Gatlinburg when we met Dom, and then we trained in the class at how we sharing techniques using this, and it changed the whole game of it. And as of today, it's keep getting better and better. You can find this on our website, especially for a lot of like a nail tech who start playing with the crystal placement, added on your service extras on your service menu. You can absolutely find this from our official website. Also, if you are on Amazon Prime, if you have you are members of Amazon Prime, you can search for precision glue or condensed glue gels or glitz accessory and such. It's gonna pop right for you. You can see that all authentic the precision glue from our company. All right, so here, and if you need to go back again, if the clients run to their hair, they still see, they feel catching on their hair or their clothes or whatever, you seal it again. Some of the clients I did a bigger charms and crystals and 3D, I seal quite more than one time. So it really depends on the charms you're using, but thanks to this, it hold every single like a big chunks of charms or 3D flat backs in one place. So I did remember that I did seal these butterflies already, but even I'm on her wing, I'm gonna do that so then the clients will not feel catching anything. But however, if you want to seal it more than one time, you want to do it first, like a one time first, and then you key it first, then you go back and seal it again, because you don't want to do too much. You don't want to flood it too much at one time, because it might running over your excess precision glue. It will run all over places. It doesn't look nice on the nail. So do one first and then key it and go back and do it again. So we're gonna do that one right there.
Yep. So right now we only have the condensed glue gel and the precision glue on Amazon Prime. We do plan to list more product there, so if you love shopping on Amazon, just stay tuned.
Yeah.
Yes, so you want to complete every single thing we have, definitely on our official website.
Yep, on our official website, we're trying to ship everything within like one business day, except the holiday that the staff not working. Okay, so I am sealing this baby like a crystal, 3D crystal. I love this. We're sealing this so then it's gonna stay really good on our flowers. This is so adorable. It's just such a statement of it. It has a little 3D crystal, and then every single petal is handcrafted by Glitz selected teams. So just so then you have a best of the best on your hand. It's like go nowhere. It's not. I didn't want to touch it because I just put the precision glue on that one. This one with the precision glue ready, and you can absolutely go again if the clients run through. I usually ask the clients like, can you check, see you doing normal activity, like put your hands up, and they say, oh Nancy, can you seal a little bit more? I said sure. But if they say good, it's running through their hairs good, no problem at all, then it's good. But I will tell the clients, if you feel like you're catching it, you can't feel it now because they're only the ones feeling it, the clients. Just swing by after you get off work, the next day. Or hold on, I'm gonna seal this one first. I'm gonna show you some cool tip and trick. And using a large of surface of the chain and the charms. So I told the clients come back in 24 hours. Within 24 hours, they come here. I will seal everything again to make sure that they are not catching or giving you any of trouble at all. So the other end, you can use it for the brush. And I want to seal and tie the chain. This one will keep the color of the chain. It stay nice and prevent from tarnish or scratching anything, because we're gonna do like normal activities, like, you know, so you don't want them to be. And I'm gonna use that and seals on my leaves, and it's tag free, so you don't have to worry about this. There you go. Cure this nails for 60 seconds. And we go into this. In the meantime, I still have my brush from my precision glue here. I am going to, I think you might touch it. It's gonna seal that one here. I'm sealing everything related to like beads, but not on the top of the crystal. You want to keep the crystal stay nice and shiny. And I'm gonna close this part, open the top cap right there, and seals underneath of this, all the edges gap, to make sure there's knots. And then you can do it again after you did the first time, flash cure, and then apply it again as it needed. You see that it was like shifting it there? You see what I mean? Okay, you can't really see it, but I can see that. Make sure you don't do this red cap away, because this will keep your the needles from clogging and protect yours. It lasts so long. I think I'm gonna wipe that off the little crystal in there. There you go. You see, sometimes I seal on this. If you feel like you want to protect that more, you can absolutely seal right there. I'm seal the charm too. I will seal this one, the charm too. I will seal everything. Not on the top of crystal, just around the metals part and on the base. So then that way it's already good, but inside also is double secure all of the charms with the crystal in there. So they're not going anywhere, but last on this nail for a long time. It's just like really good reputation, because the clients will love it. They know that I have a lot of clients before. They have like so worried. I don't want to. I love it to look so pretty, but it's not coming up. It's keep catching on my hair. It's peeling up. I said, no, you just gotta try it. And they did, and now some of them will last 6 weeks. Well, they didn't mean to go 6 weeks because it was on vacation. So, and then last time it was like when we offer like 6 weeks of quarantine. I mean, the closers. So they come back with like the nails. They said, look, I still said the nail for you. Some of the nails 10 weeks. They just took a pictures 10 weeks and said, why don't you take it off to shape it down, but not. Didn't mean that it lasts so long. This nails, hope you all enjoying it. This nails I did with the crumbs. Do I have it right here? Can I show the crumbs though? Yeah, thank you so much, Bella, sharing it. They put all the metal in condensed glue gel. Top it with precision because top will peel off easily. Yes, thanks, Bella. She's saying really good tip and trick. She put it on condensed glue gel. She double secure condensed and precision glue, because top coat is peel off. You're right, because the top coat is wear off fast. Sorry, it's the background dirty because I dropped something on it. Here is the look for this nail.